All right, so I would like to go over creating algebra tiles, mats for numbers 2 through 5, kind of go over how do you do this and why. So there was a document that was already created, a PDF that tells you which problems, and then the tool that we're using all connected. So here we have the document, and it says combine like terms. Directions. Type the expression from the picture in the assignment. For each expression, draw it using algebra tiles. Solve each simplifying step using both equations and pictures. Write out what is happening on each line. So here we have an example. You can see that problem number 1, which came from this PDF, you can see on the right-hand side. We had 2x squared plus 6x plus 10. We write that here using the equation editor, and then we add it to 4x plus 2x plus 3. What you'll notice is that these pictures are those actual tiles. We have 2x squareds, we have 6 x's, and 10 ones. The next picture is 4x squareds, 2 x's, and 3 ones. This equation was given to us, so we just write given. When we combine like terms, it's putting piles of tiles together that are the same. For instance, the next picture now has all the x squareds together, making it 6x squareds. Here we have 8x tiles because we put 6 x's and 2 x's together. And then 10 ones and 3 ones makes 13 ones. When we're talking about that, what we'll do is we'll talk about how we combine them. I combine my like terms of x squared, x, and my constants, which are my ones. Continuing that same path, we're then going to type our next equation. So equation number 2, I go to the PDF. And now to write it in equation form, I go to Insert, Equation. And I'm able to use all of these tools up here in order to write this. So we're going to write it exactly as it is from the PDF. 3x caret 2 plus x plus 4, end parenthesis, plus open parenthesis, x squared plus 4x plus 7. The next thing we do is we draw this in tiles. So here I have my tiles, and I have my algebra tiles. In my algebra tiles, you'll notice that the first one was 3x squared. So I'm going to drag them out. So tile, let me go ahead and move them to another side for just a moment. So here we have 1x squared, 2x squareds, and 3x squareds. It says 1x and 4 ones. Now again, I'm doing that from problem number 2. So that was 3x squared plus x plus 4. Now I'm going to have 1x squared as my second set, 4 x's, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So here we will take a screenshot. Copy it, place it into our tab or our document. So this is what we were given. We were given 3x squared plus x plus 4 and 1x squared plus 4x plus 7. Now, what we do is looking at the tiles, we can combine like tiles. For instance, we know we have 4x squareds. Those can all go together. We have 5x's. We'll put all of those together. And then we'll put our 1's together. This is combining like terms. One of the ways you can think about the word terms is by if they are the same type of tile. 1's tiles go together, x's go together, and so on. So here's our final drawing. We copy, and then we paste. And then on the left-hand side, we write the equation. So we'll notice that we have 4x squareds, so the number of tiles, plus 5x's, plus 11 1's. And then you say what you did. Explain what tiles you combined. And then we go down to the next problem. Equation 3. And again, you'll go back to your PDF document, go over here to equation 3, draw them out, combine like terms. Now, equation 4 and 5 do become a little bit more difficult because they have these negative signs. It's important that you remember the opposite of 3x squared and the opposite of 2x and the opposite of positive 4 makes them negatives. I suggest watching the video for problem number 4 in order to make sure that you complete it correctly. Thank you.